Alright. Let's try these again.
Y'all be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing video. Alright? Now, if you saw my last sneaker video, you saw that I bought a shoe. This shoe that we are actually about to look at now, this shoe, I bought it from Nike. I had it shipped here. They had a restock. And when I got the shoe, there appeared to be mold on the side of the shoe. So they told me when I contacted Nike that I could either A, return them, or B, try to clean it off myself and keep the shoe. Alright? I thought about just trying to clean it off myself. I really thought about it because the shoe was sold out on Nike. But I just couldn't get myself to keep that shoe no matter how much I loved it. With there being mold on it, I mean, just quality control is trash on that shoe. So I sent it back. Same day, maybe an hour later, I went to the UPS store and I sent the shoe back. However, Premier Skate Shop had the shoe in stock. I had no idea. I don't frequently go to Premier Skate Shop. I go occasionally when I'm looking for a blazer or a Chuck Taylor. But I don't even know what led me there. I think I was on Kicks Deals or something. I saw it there and I said, oh, they got this shoe. So I went and I got it, and here it is again. Now we're back. The same exact shoe, Nike SB box, purple and white. Boom. Alright, Premier Skate Shop came through in the clutch. And of course, Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Premium Colorway Mystic Navy Sail and Sail, size 13, of course, in these because I go down a size in Nike Blazers just like I do in Chuck Taylors. Alright, so I've already looked at these just to make sure, but let me go ahead and show you all. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Ralph TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Much better. Left shoe first, baby. Woo. Ooh. Thank you, Premier Skate Shop. Thank you. So much better. So much better. Ooh. Let me show you something else that is so much better with this particular one from Premier Skate Shop. Alright. The previous one that I got from Nike, this toe box. Look at this toe box. You see the nappy suede that's on the toe box, and also that goes up the lacing area here? You see the nappiness? It was all smooth on the one from Nike. This was completely smooth. It was not this nappiness like this. It's crazy. It's like, what happened to that shoe? That had to be a B grade shoe. This, when I opened the box and I felt this, I said, wait a second, that wasn't like that. This was completely smooth. None of this nappy suede. None of the nappy suede on there. If you all can see that. Man, it's completely different material. Alright, all the way up here and all the way in that toe box. I'm sorry, up here and in the toe box area. Completely different. when I took it out the box, it almost looked like a different shoe. This is the exact same shoe that I tried to show you all before. Nike on the back there. This is the same shoe that I tried to show you all before. Nice stitching in the swoosh. Man, this is a dope one, man. I'm glad Premier had them. I didn't really want to send them back, but I had to get that. I couldn't keep that mold. I couldn't keep the moldy shoe, because even if I would have got it cleaned off the sides, I didn't know if there was mold on the inside. I didn't know what was going on, because I never stuck my hand on the inside to figure it out. But man, thank goodness for Premier Skate Shop. All right, so here we got the tongue. Well, let me get a little closer for you all. You see the Nike SB on the tongue there. And then on the back, Nike and the swoosh name and stripes are trademarks and your guarantee of quality. That's what it says on the back there. Take the paper out. On the inside, you have Nike Zoom Air. Nike Zoom Air on the inside there. Just very nice overall, man. Just a very nice shoe overall. Look at the bottoms. There's some details. I know there's some gum bottom there, but it's like there's some speckles on the bottom. Some blue speckles on the bottom. And I just love this midsole, how they did this midsole. Man, this is a completely different looking shoe than the moldy one. It's crazy. But y'all know what we gotta do now. We gotta take these boys on feet. Alright, this is what I was rocking today. These Black History Month Chuck Taylors, the Chuck 70s. Man, love these. I love Chuck Taylors, specifically the Chuck 70s or the Chuck 2s, but the Chuck 2s are now discontinued, so Chuck 70s it is. These are the only, Chuck 70s are the only Converse Chucks that I would recommend at this point. I would not recommend the regular Chuck Taylors because these have the lunar long cushioning in them. So yeah, rock with these. But to the side for those. Oh, Blazers on feet. Yes, sir. Not bad. Not bad. For size reference, you see that wiggle? That's my big toe right there. Big toe action right there. 13 in these, perfect fit. These are a perfect fit. Yes, sir. 13 and a half would be too big. 14 would be too big. 13 is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Alright? It's a little snug, but it's a good snug. It's not moving. My feet aren't moving. There's not going to be any creasing. It's not an uncomfortable kind of snug. So this is the perfect fit. Alright? Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. And then let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it on these. Yo, definitely a dope shoe. Glad I was able to find them in a non-moldy form. Thank you to Premier Skate Shop. Man, the nappy suede on there feels good. It feels good. But I do have one complaint, and it's not against the shoe in general. It's against this line of shoes and how they are shipped. Why, Nike? Why must you ship Blazers so tight? Like, I literally had to completely unlace this shoe and then lace it back up to how it looks now. They choke the absolute hell out of blazers and Chucks too. Chucks as well. What I would suggest is shipping them like they ship Jordan 1s. Blazers, Chucks, ship them the way that you ship Jordan 1s. The Jordan 1 retros, not mids or lows. The retro highs. Ship blazers and Chucks the way that you ship the Jordan 1 retro high. Unlaced. The shoelaces are just down here and they allow us to lace them up the way that we want to wear them. Do that with the blazers and the Chucks. Simple fix. But speaking of that, this is that Jordan 1 tongue. This is the same tongue, ultimately, that you will find on the Jordan 1. And it's nice. It's comfortable. It's great, man. So I love this shoe. I love this style of shoe. Can't beat it, man. Can't beat it. I plan to rock these often. I plan to beat them up. They're skate shoes. That's what they're for. So definitely a dope shoe, man. Glad that I was able to get them. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content on the way. In fact, I got a second pair. But it's not a second pair of the same color. Premier Skate Shop had the alternate colorway. So I went ahead and copped it. Stay tuned for the next video and you'll see these. But that's gonna do it. I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.